That's a huge fissure, isn't it?
What's that?
That's a huge fissure. I've never seen an earthquake crack before.
Really?
Have you? I really haven't. That's just indescribably unbelievable.
Another one right there too.
Wow. Man. Since 1964, that's a long time ago, you know. That's deep. Good night. Thank you. This is Earthquake Park in Alaska, and I see a lot of footprints going down here. I guess they're people footprints going down the hill there. This is where the earth dropped off in 1964. I'm gonna go under that red tape. I don't know if I'm supposed to, but wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, look at that. Darn. This is where the biggest earthquake of all time happened in 1964. Until the Indonesian earthquake and tsunami, this was the biggest one of all time right here in Anchorage, Alaska. Wow, look at that. You see the footprints going down the hill? I guess these are people footprints or bear. I don't know. Wow, these are not people footprints. These are like bear. Yeah. Nobody crossed over there. I can tell that's an animal. I just hope he's gone. But, let's see. Man, look at that fissure. That is just the most tremendously cool thing I ever saw in my life. My gosh. That is where the earth cracked. Part of where it cracked. It's just where part of the earthquake happened in 1964. Pan around and show you part of what they made into a park. You see where the earth fell off here. Jeez. Look at the gorgeous landscape all around. You can see how it's tilted. Man, because of the earth falling into part of the ocean there. They made it to a very beautiful park. I came down here in the wintertime to this park. My former landlady had brought me, and she showed me in the wintertime, but we could not see the fissures because it was snow covered. This is just huge. My goodness. Unbelievable. I'll show you out onto the lake or the ocean. I don't know what this is. Lake Hood. So beautiful. My goodness. Look at that. 9.2 magnitude earthquake happened here. It's gonna be like the best video I've sent back yet. Right here. Earthquake Park. Man, oh man. Wow. Try to get some pictures.